Hey, did you know that olive oil can offer some powerful health benefits and is full of flavor too and all kinds of goodness? Holistic nutritionist Jessie Lane Lee joins us to talk about all the health benefits associated with olive oil. Thanks for joining us via Skype.
Thanks for having me, Bob. I'm so excited to be back on CHCH with you guys.
Yeah.
And yes, olive oil is so awesome. It's full of antioxidants, it's anti-inflammatory, it gives you energy boost. It is incredible to include in your baking and your cooking.
It's actually, when you dig into it, I was blown away by the health benefits. In fact, in the States, the FDA signs off on a lot of the health claims. But you have to make sure you get the real meal deal too. And that's actually one issue with the extra virgin olive oil because authenticity is an issue, right? What do we look for?
So yeah, you're exactly right. Since it's so popular now, you need to make sure you're buying a good quality olive oil. So for the first thing you're going to look for is flavor. You're looking for something that's fruity or maybe grassy, but you want that peppery finish. That lingering kind of spice on your tongue shows that it's a really good quality olive oil. You also want to look for an olive oil that's made in small batches with no chemical additives, because that's going to give you the best flavor. And then I also recommend going organic because that way there's no extra pesticides. Because we definitely want to avoid that just for our overall health. So I'm really excited today. I'm cooking with Theopolis Organics olive oil. It meets all of these criteria, which is fantastic. On top of that, it's a family-run business right here in the GTA. So we can feel really good about supporting local when we buy this product. On
Okay.
top of that, it is a really good price for the quality of the oil because it is organic, it is small batch, so you're getting a really nice olive
Yeah, so
oil for a
this,
great price.
and so locally, but inspired by Tunisia, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so three extra virgin olive oil recipes here. Which one are we going to start with?
Yes, so we're going to start with pesto. I love pesto, and we're making a pretty traditional one today. Right now, I'm going to throw in some garlic and pine nuts into my food processor, and I'm going to give that a quick blend first because I know if I don't, sometimes you end up with these very strong, pungent, garlicky surprises. So I'm going to just blend that really quick. Excuse the noise. And then we can add the other ingredients. So with all pesto, we know the star is really the basil. So I have a big chunk of basil here, which is so great for this time of year because it does have a lot of antibacterial properties, which is really nice. We've got Parmesan cheese to give it that delicious zing. And then some fresh squeezed lemon. I love lemon, a really good source of vitamin C. So as we're entering the cold and flu season, it's a nice way to keep our immune systems high. And then finally, the real star, besides the basil, is the olive oil. It adds that fruitiness. And again, I love the peppery finish, especially this brand. It is so delicious. So I'm throwing in a whole half cup here. I really like a lot of olive oil in my pesto. Some people sometimes get scared of it because of the high fat content, but it is healthy fat in olive oil. We don't really have to worry
Yeah,
about it
it's the
here.
world's healthiest fat, widely used
It
fat.
is.
Yeah,
That's exactly it.
yeah.
So yeah, pour it in. Don't be shy. And then we just give this a nice blend, and I won't fully blend it, but give you a feel for it here. So you would blend it until smooth, and you have this delicious creamy pesto, fantastic over pasta. You can use it as a base for like pizzas, on a flatbread with roasted veggies. I mean, you can eat it with a spoon. It tastes that good.
Oh, wow. And I bet that cake tastes good too. And I know you made cookies as well. We're going to link up all your socials at chch.com so we can get those amazing recipes. Thank you, holistic nutritionist Jessie Lane Lee.
Thank you.